Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we'll be taking a ride across the Crescent City Connection to the Westbank using the reversible HOV lanes. We've done this trip before, but it was from the Westbank to the Eastbank, so this time we'll be going westbound on the eastbound bridge. We begin on Andrew Higgins Boulevard near Lee Circle in the World War II Museum, which is visible ahead. The museum, which opened on June 6, 2000 as the National D-Day Museum, was later designated as America's official National World War II Museum in 2003. The museum maintains an affiliation with the Smithsonian Institution. The mission statement of the museum emphasizes the American experience in World War II. We turn right onto Calliope Street, which runs alongside or under the Pontchartrain Expressway from the Convention Center to Earhart Boulevard. Calliope Street is named for the beautiful voiced muse, Calliope, as well as the steam organ found on most New Orleans riverboats. However, the distinction between the steam organ and the street is the pronunciation, Calliope versus Calliope. As we approach the far end of the HOV lanes, a black box is visible on the right, which lights up with a no right turn symbol during the hours that the HOV lanes run in the opposite direction. Mechanical gates also block access to prevent wrong-way traffic from entering. The HOV lanes carry traffic from the Westbank to the Eastbank from 5 a.m. to 12 noon, and from the Eastbank to the Westbank from 1 p.m. to 4 a.m. There is a complete closure for 1 hour between each of the direction shifts, presumably to be sure that all vehicles have cleared the roadway and to remove any breakdowns or wreckage before the lanes reopen in the opposite direction. Use of the lanes requires at least 2 people to be in the vehicle. Additionally, there is no direct connection from the HOV lanes to any expressway on the East Bank side of the river, making it useful only to those who live on the West Bank, a major population center, and the Central Business District, a major business center. Those who wish to travel further than the CBD in the morning don't have much choice but to take the clogged main line or the bridge. Prior to 2013, the HOV lanes were tolled in both directions and required the use of an electronic toll tag device. Because the HOV lanes see so little traffic, they're frequently used for filming. Watch any movie or TV show set in New Orleans in the past 30 years and there's almost always a bridge scene, and if you look closely, the subjects are traveling in the separated HOV lanes so as not to disrupt traffic. There are two entrances to the HOV lanes on the East Bank, the one we just took and another at Convention Center Boulevard. On the West Bank, there is a ground level entrance from the Westbank Expressway Service Road, an entrance from General de Gaulle Drive, and an entrance from the elevated US 90 Business. We conclude our drive at the Westbank Expressway Service Road near Terry Parkway. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.